Trust Company of America, RIA Technology and Custody.
Our particular representative is intimately aware with our business model. Matter of fact, she and others have been out to see our business. She knows about our banking model. She knows how, when she gets sensitive calls from reps that are in the field and may be irate, how to rechannel them to us. It's like she's part of the family. They know my name, they address me by name, and I like that. And it is like having a coworker.
We also have the dedicated support person who acts as our partner, like our inside partner. That person becomes an expert in your business too. So it's really we have a shared interest in our business. She knows what we do, she understands our needs, she looks for opportunities for us.
They assigned us an account executive internally at Trust Company that basically that's who we call. And if we ever have an issue, we call Ken, and he is absolutely terrific. And I know he must work for other firms, but I have never had him not answer the phone when I call in. So I don't know how they do that.
At a regular brokerage firm where we normally had been for years, you would have a list. If you needed to get something done, figure out what the problem is, find the department, and call that department and find the appropriate person to talk to. Whereas at Trust Company of America, Lawrence Matthews is our guy. I call him. That's it.
The relationship manager is just vital to making the investments and the ongoing management and relationship as smooth as possible.
We feel like we have evolved with Trust Company, very much hand in hand over the years.
Trust Company of America, RIA Technology and Custody.